Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR box here from Madam Glam. They asked if I wanted to try some of their new products that they have, so I said yes. So yes, this is the box here. And then they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. So very good polishes. You've seen these on my channel many times. I absolutely love Madam Glam. So look what they have, their new product they have. They asked me if I wanted to pick 4 colors. These are art pens, acrylic art pens. And look at this, how cute they are. And it says everything here, the ingredients, the directions. It says shake, press the tip, and draw. The product must be air dried for 10 to 20 seconds. Doesn't require UV or LED. So yeah, super cute. So I picked green, purple, black, and silver. So yeah, there is 10. So they do have 10 colors there, and like I said, I picked 4, and right now if you're a VIP they're $49.28 for all 10, so that's amazing. So yeah, they're all sealed up with the little plastic there, so I'm going to go ahead and take off all the plastics. Alright, so you guys know, if you've been on my channel long enough, that I cannot draw. I don't do much nail art. Just because I literally can't draw on paper. I've never been able to draw even as a kid. I can barely draw like stick people, so drawing on a nail is definitely hard. So, you know, I have done things here and there, and, you know, different brushes, and tried different things. So yeah, I've seen these around and I've been wanting to try them. So yeah, it says they're air dry formula, pigmented formula. They can be used over gel polishes, rubber bases, builders, and regular polishes. Perfect for creating polka dot, swirl designs, flowers, clouds, or abstract patterns. And then this says how to use it. So the first time you're going to shake the pen, and we're going to press the tip until the color reaches the tip. And it says apply over perfect white or any other color, and you cure that for 1 minute. And you wipe off the inhibition layer, which I did here. I have some swatch sticks, and I just have a few different colors. And it says create the design, and then you let it air dry for 10 to 20 seconds and apply a top coat. So yeah, I just picked, of course, black and white, and then I picked this beautiful color from the new collection. This one is Divine Self. Oops, sorry. Divine Self. And then I used, then we have a yellow here, and that's the star. And so yeah, I just wanted to try them on some different colors here. So I want to try the silver. Alright, yeah, I want to protect my mat that I have down. So let's see. So yeah, I wanted to try the silver. So it said to shake it. And then we're gonna push it down until it comes out. There it is. So I want to see what it looks like. So yeah, like I said, I did apply 2 coats, and then I just wiped with alcohol, so that's why it looks kind of chalky. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like I said, I'm not very good at drawing, but I just want to see how they go on. I like that silver, it's pretty. And then let's see on the white. Oh, I like it on the white. Let me see. So if you do make a mistake, you know, I'm going to put the lid on just so they don't dry out. I just want to see if you're able to... Oh yeah, you can take it off with some alcohol. So yeah, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and wipe it. But yeah, I mean, it feels like a pen. Like, I like it. I'm gonna try some other little things too, but I just want to see what the color looks like. And then the purple, I'm excited for the purple too. Ooh, I like it on the black. That's pretty. So yeah, they're cute. Really cute. Yeah, if you want to fill something in, I would do the outline first and then fill it in, because when I did it on the first one, it got kind of distorted, but they're cute. Yeah, I was just playing around with like little lines there. And I want to see how I love doing polka dots. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the set. I'm going to use Madam Glam base coat. And I'm just going to apply base coat all over the tips, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And next we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Perfect Black. And I'm going to be doing 2 coats on each nail, and I do cure each coat for 30 seconds. I absolutely love this black. It is literally super black. It's so pretty. And now we're going to go in with the Velvet Matte Top Coat. I love this top coat. It's so pretty, and they even do kind of feel like velvet. Oh, I just love it. So I do a coat of that, and then I cure that for this. The matte I do 60 seconds, because sometimes you'll still see some little, not too shiny, but a little bit of shiny parts. So I do it for 60 seconds. So now we're going to start the design. So with the pens, I couldn't really think of what I wanted to do, but I came up with like chalkboard nails, and since it is back to school, I thought it's like perfect timing. So yeah, we're just going to go on and do some, nothing perfect at all. Like I said, I can't draw, so I just wanted to do something, you know, that was pretty easy to do, that you can kind of doodle. So yeah, so on the pinky, I just decided to do like the A+, and then right here, I'm going to put the 100%. But yeah, I like the pens. I mean, the colors are very, very pretty, and you know, it's just kind of like writing with a marker. So yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that little Fimo, little apple on. I did have to hold it. I kind of put it under the light for a couple seconds, and then I take you'll see in a minute here, I'll take the tweezers and kind of push down on the sides. That way it curves with the nail. It's not sticking out straight. Because it was kind of hard to hold it. It was moving if I tried to hold it with the tweezers. So I kind of stuck it under there, and then I held the sides down, and it worked perfect. And so on this now we're going to write ABC, and then we're going to write 1, 2, 3. But yeah, I think they came out cute, just something very, very different. And then of course here we're going to put some 1 plus 1. And then we're going to draw some shapes. But yeah, I did of course make some mistakes. So what I said before was you can just take the alcohol and wipe it and it comes off fine. Yeah, this square for some reason I just could not get it right. It took me like 4 times to get it straight. But yeah, I think they came out cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and matte, put the matte top coat. I just didn't want to smudge, you know, I mean they were dry, but I just accidentally didn't want to smudge anything before I did the thumb. So yeah, I just went in and I'm gonna put that matte over the whole nail. I love the way the green looks over that black. Actually, the green and the purple. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's going to be perfect for Halloween. And then here we just did the 3 minus 2. And I did go ahead and take off the little minus sign. It was really, really crooked. So yeah, like I said, I just took a little wipe and just put some alcohol and it just came right off. But yeah, these were not supposed to be perfect, you know, just fun. Just something different to do every once in a while. So yeah, we're just matte, putting the matte top coat on and curing that. Like I said, I do the matte for 60 seconds. All right, and this is the finished set here. I think they came out super cute, just something different. Thank you again, Madam Glam, for these art pens. So fun to do, to doodle on your nails, and just so much fun. I do have a code Sondra35. You can save 35%. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.